In this week's video, Lauren flies the drone, I have a chat, and we view Thani-Zimbi.
So we're busy parking off outside, having a little amarula, and all these little goats are coming past us with babies, and there's so many of them. One's at the top. Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, everybody.
We just want to discuss our little stay at Thani-Zimbi. It has been the most amazing experience. The scenery around here is beautiful. The animals are beautiful. We had giraffe, we had wildebeest,
Zebras, nyala, kudus, ostriches, all kinds of animals literally right around our chalet. Yes.
Just to let you know that the people that run this place, beautiful couple, they're so helpful, and whatever we needed, they were there to help us.
I think that the service here is fantastic. The chalet itself was beautiful. There is some photos. We'll drop in a couple of photos here and there and wherever else. So just so you guys can see what it looks like inside. Yeah, I think all in all it was really an awesome experience. A couple of nights we stayed here.
Definitely come here again.
Yes, definitely a place to come in and just enjoy and relax and wind down. Amazing place to be. Amazing animals. You really don't have to go far. They've got a little dam on the other side
where you can go fishing.
Yeah, if you really want to go fishing, you can go fishing there. If you want to just sit and chill and watch the animals come there, I think that's where we saw the giraffe come and have some
exactly where we were fishing.
Water. Yes.
About an hour later there was a giraffe that went there.
So it was really amazing. I think all in all, an awesome experience that we've had. The chalets, one we stayed in was a 4-sleeper. The main bedroom, of course, a double bed, and 2 single beds in the lounge area. So if you've got kids, something that's perfect for a sort of a small family, or 2 couples if you really want to. But they do have much bigger chalets that sleep up to 12 people. Really huge. Also really nice, and the views are all so that you can see the animals, which are really amazing.
There's a little pool area where you can go play pool, swimming pool, nice entertainment area. Everything self-catering. There isn't a restaurant here.
So if you do bring foods, make sure you bring everything with that you need. But look, the town is not that far from here. If you need to go to
15
town,
kilometers.
I reckon about 15 k's. It's a lot of dirt road to get here, but the town is about 15 k's. So make sure that you stop in there, get all your goodies that you need, and then come through for that week or whatever, how long you're going to be staying for. I think on that note, there's also a 20% discount
for the next 6 months.
For the next 6 months.
If you mention Rusty Travellers.
If you mention Rusty Travellers. So mention Rusty Travellers and you can get a 20% discount on staying here with your accommodation. And the accommodation is really not expensive. So 20% discount on top of that really is worth it. Worth every cent you stay here.
And you don't pay per person, you pay per unit.
Yes, that's right. So there's also free...
There's free Wi-Fi, which isn't necessarily at your chalets, but from where we're staying, which is one of the last places close to the
bush,
close to the reception and stuff, it's literally a 1-minute walk to the swimming pool and you have full Wi-Fi there.
Yeah, so you can just keep in touch with family and friends. But I think, yes, all in all, we enjoyed the stay here. Lovely people, beautiful scenery, saw so many animals. The wildebeest were literally right outside our chalet here. And I'm saying right outside, I mean 10 meters away from our chalet. That is one of the experiences that you just don't get everywhere else. So please come and support these guys. Get your 20% discount by mentioning Rusty Travellers to Abel. He's the part of management here. So we'll leave his description in the link below. Give him a shout or drop him a WhatsApp or something and say you want to come through, but be sure to mention Rusty Travellers and you'll qualify for the 20% discount.
Yeah.
Thank you guys, and thank you for following us, and thank you for your support. We shall see you on the next adventure.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Cheers.
Hi everyone, I would personally like to thank each and every one of you that subscribe, like and share our videos. And for those that don't, please subscribe, ring that notification bell so you can keep updated when we release new videos. Thank you everyone, and we'll see you on the next adventure. We are off to